A little bit of a tailwind. Where should your stick be?
Forward?
No, you're not saying you're CFI.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, forward. It's not 3 knots. She's running fine. I don't think we need to run up. Should I take off or want me to?
Oh, you can do it. I'll let you do that.
Okay.
Your controls.
My controls. Alright. Now, the canopy. Alright, everybody's locked in back there. Alright. So, flaps to take off, fuel pump, full rich. I think the back hits it. Semi-tower down at 526, Delta Sierra 33, ready to go.
Delta Sierra 133, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 33, 526, Delta Sierra. Alright, clear approach.
Charlie, Roger, runway 6, taxi via Bravo.
Alright, well, from under the Bravo, we're still a little close to the tail mark, so I'd like to go west a little bit further, but if you want to take over, the red button will put it in your hand.
Okay.
Autopilot.
Hang on, Miller. There we go. Oh, see? You're not supposed to fly right hand over there.
I know, this feels weird.
Alright, your controls.
My controls.
If you need power for climbing or anything, the prop is, I usually just leave it at 400, so you should be good.
Okay.
And again, lean is good.
I don't know what the stall speed of your plane is, so I can't stall your plane.
Want to do a stall?
I mean, we can.
Okay, you do power on or power off?
Power on stall.
Alright, power on stall. You're going to have a hard time. She doesn't like to stall
Okay,
power.
we'll power off then.
Well, we can do it.
Okay.
Alright, let's go full power. Hold. Don't do it yet. There's somebody right over top of you, 2300. That's all we need. I don't think we're going up 2300, but we'll climb right into it. She's going to buff it a lot, and she's going to kick and bounce, and she's going to want to slough off. You're going to be on that rudder.
Okay.
But she doesn't like to stall.
Okay. What am I pitching for?
Let's keep pitching.
Okay.
Moving altitude.
Just keep going. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Down that rudder. Keep pulling. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. One more right rudder. Keep going.
They want me to go past 20.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Really stalled.
Yeah, I know.
God.
It's like first indication.
Let it come down and recover. It's not like power on stall. Power off, you can get her to stall.
You like the little dip down there? You got some butterflies?
A little bit. That's fun though, but
That's the fun part.
you see, there's really no top end to the pitching. I mean,
Yeah.
you just pull it.
I mean, for CFI, we'd have to go to the first indication anyway.
Right. And that's easy in this plane because the stall horn sounds off about 20 knots before anything happens.
That's very touchy.
If you want to do a power off stall, I usually put it in landing configure. Try that if you want. If you really want to come out, it will stall then.
Okay, we can do that.
And slow her down. Yeah, but just chop the power, keep her level. What we're shooting for is, I'll do your flaps for you. All right, there's first notch. She's going to balloon. Okay, there's second notch. I want you to pitch for 75. That's our approach speed. And once you hit 75, then you can bring her up. There she goes.
Leaving altitude.
You see how docile it is?
I know.
Even though the nose, you felt it stalled, but it didn't like just dive on you. It just kind of hovered there and said, do something before I make you unhappy.
Yeah.
Plane is very docile. You got almost
And the nose just drops.
Semi Tower 9526 Delta Sierra 10 to the west with Foxtrot, inbound full stop.
6 Delta Sierra, Kissimmee Tower, make straight and approach runway 6, report a 3 mile final, wind 0806.
I report 3 mile final for 6, 526 Delta Sierra. Wow, we're just going to go straight in.
218, let's go to 15 via Bravo Alpha, right turn it Alpha 15.
Oh, if you want to try it, I will walk you through it. To you. Basically a headwind, so it doesn't look like it's too bad.
Guess I can try.
Okay, I mean, I'll be on the controls with you.
Yeah, I'm off the landing.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we do have a headwind, but we're going to get down to, on short final, I want to be about 80 knots.
Okay.
When we get down over the numbers, we need about 65 knots. If we're too fast, she's going to want to float forever.
Okay.
I'll work your flaps for you.
Okay.
108 is our first flap speed. Let's get a little closer and we'll slow her down and crank some flaps. We got lights, fuel pump, we're already full prop, we're already there, so we've got our landing checklist done. Yeah, just don't flare too early or too hard. She'll climb right back up and balloon on you. Alright, once you start slowing her down a skosh.
So runway 6, clear to land, wind 0804.
Clear land runway 6, 526 Delta Sierra. Okay, 080 at 4, so they're going to get almost nothing once we get down below those trees. Alright, so we'll get in, this speed is fine for now, we'll get in a little closer, otherwise we'll be out here all day with the flap speed. I don't know if there's a pappy on this guy or not.
I don't see
I
one.
think you're low, I'd flatten out a little bit. The pappy on 3-3 was broken. Alright, let's do this. Level her out to 108, I'll get your first notch of flaps.
Okay.
I'll also balloon you up a little bit. Chop that power. Hold her level, hold her level. Okay, oops, one notch. Okay. We need to get over to the right a little bit. Alright, let's pitch for 80. There we go, that balloon drop, I like that side picture. I do see a pappy on the left.
Yeah, I see it now.
I think I see two white, two red?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's slow her, alright, I'm gonna get your next notch. She go on balloon. And then I want you to get about 80 knots on the approach. Alright, pappy's looking good. I think you're a little left, what do you think?
Yeah. I've been pulling left seat in a while. I'll go to the
Just
right.
a little right a little bit. Alright, let's just maintain 80. Set high 70s, 80. Alright, you can maintain about 75 now. You're already there, so that's good. Alright, yeah, let's start bringing that power down. 75 is what I'm looking for. I'd like to see over to the right a little bit. Keep her at 75. Give me a little power. Little power. There we go. There we go. Alright, now let her come down. Full power. Full. Let her come down some more. Down some. Don't flare this high. Okay.
all morning where it just loves to go off.
Okay. Alright, so you flare too high.
Yeah. So come up at Golf, Texas signature.
Golf to signature, 526 Delta Sierra. Golf to signature?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the runway, so keep going. You didn't bounce it, but you did drop her. So that's how I was trying to give you some forward stick, but I didn't want to get too carried away there.
It wasn't awful.
You didn't kill us and you didn't break the plane.
No.
So those are the first two criteria of a good landing. Finesse and not scaring people, that's the next thing.
Oh yeah.
Alright, there's golf and we'll just pull it right back under that awning.